In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a static PowerPoint slideshow into an automated video. You will go ahead and create your slideshow with all of the slides that you intend to have, and on each one that you want narration, you are going to add it. Now, I'm using PowerPoint 2016 from the Office 2016 lineup. You may have a different version of PowerPoint, which may mean that things are in a slightly different place, but the tools will be there and you'll be able to find them. To add video, you are going to start off by coming to the Insert menu. Within the Insert menu, there's an icon of a speaker with the words Audio. You are going to open the menu below that and choose Record Audio. This opens a dialog box that allows you to put your presentation words into your presentation. You simply click the red record button, and now I am recording audio. When you have what you want, you click the blue stop button. Be sure to hit OK to save that icon. It comes into the center of your picture, which is sometimes hard to see, so I usually move it up to a corner where I won't lose track of it. You do not want your viewers to see this little icon, and so what you're going to do is with the icon selected, the audio tools show up and you're going to come to playback. In the playback menu, click Hide During Show. That lets you see it while you're working on your PowerPoint, but once this show starts, no one else sees that. The other thing you want to click is instead of on click, you're going to say Start Automatically. So those are two really important things, automatically and hide during show. Go ahead and insert the audio on every slide that you need it. Being sure for each audio to select it, go into the playback menu, hide it, and start it automatically. You can listen to your audio by hitting the play button here, and you can decide whether or not you like the audio or whether you need to edit it or rewrite it. There are a lot of options for editing. I'm not going to go into those now. When you are happy with your slideshow and you have saved it in the traditional way for the final time, you're now going to save it as a video rather than a PowerPoint. To do that, you come to the File menu, select Save As, choose the folder that you want to save it in, and choose to save it as, save as type, rather than PowerPoint presentation, you're going to choose MPEG video. Once you've done this bar here at the bottom will show as it saves your video. The longer your PowerPoint presentation is, the longer it will take to convert it from a static slideshow to a video. So just be patient while that happens. The video that you create will show up in the folder that you have put it in, and it will work like any other video. You will notice here that there's a pause as it goes through the unnarrated those unnarrated slides. You can change the length of that pause if you want, and then everything else is there. So good luck, have fun with the research and the creating of your presentation. I look forward to seeing them.